Hello everyone, today we are going to study about determination of aggregate abrasion value. Okay, so in this test it gives the relative resistance of aggregate to BA. Its definition is abrasion test is carried out to raise the hardness property of aggregate, and the principle of Los Angeles abrasion test is to find out the percentage wear due to relative rubbing action between the aggregate and the steel balls used as a abrasive charge. Okay, then what is meant by the abrasion value? So the percentage of wear of sample aggregate due to the friction with steel balls is determined and is known as the Los Angeles abrasion value. Okay. Then let's see the required apparatus. So for this we required Los Angeles abrasion machine. You can see here in this figure. This is our Los Angeles abrasion machine. Okay. Then we also required a weighing balance machine, then IS sieves, and we also required a sample aggregate for testing. Then let's see the procedure how to find out abrasion value of coarse aggregate. So firstly select the aggregate to be used in the test, that is select the sample aggregate. After that, take exactly 5 kg or 10 kg of the sample aggregates, and it depends on the size of aggregate. And on the size of aggregate is taken and is placed in the cylinder of the Los Angeles machine along with the abrasive charge. That means the abrasive charge means steel balls. Okay. Then place this aggregate and abrasive charge balls on the cylinder and fix the cover. After that, rotate the machine at a speed of 20 to 33 RPM. RPM is nothing but the running per minute. Okay. And the number of revolutions should be 500 to 1000 depending on the grading of aggregates. So after that, the machine is stopped after the specified number of revolution and the aggregate sample is discharged to the tray. And then the entire stone dust made from a machine is sieved on 1.70 mm IS sieve. Okay. After that, the fraction passing through the 1.7 mm ISU is expressed as a percentage of original weight gives the aggregate abrasion value. Okay, so this is our abrasion value of coarse aggregate procedure. Then next, let's see the calculation how to determine the abrasion value. So for this, the difference, how to find out abrasion value. So take the difference between the original weight and the final weight of the test sample is expressed as a percentage of the original weight of the test sample. So there is a formula to find out the abrasion value. So aggregate abrasion value is equal to a minus B divided by A multiplied by 100. So what is the A and B? So A means the weight in gram of dry sample and B is the weight in gram of fraction retained on 1.70 mm ISU. Okay. And from this formula A minus B, then we get fraction aggregate passing through 1.7 mm ISU and divided by total weight in gram of dry sample and multiply by 100. Okay. Then let's see the sample calculation. Suppose our weight of the aggregate, that is W1 is 5000 gram, and weight of the written aggregate, that is W2 is 2100 gram. Then the weight of sample passing through 1.7 mm ISU is equal to this 5000 minus 2100, that means it is nothing but the 2900 gram. That means the wet sample passing through 1.7 mm ISU is 2900 gram. Okay, and from this calculation we get abrasion value. So W1 minus W2, that is wet sample passing through 1.7 mm ISU divided by W1, that is weight of the aggregate, multiplied by 100. So our wet sample passing through 1.7 mm ISU is 2900 gram divided by our total weight is 5000, okay, and multiply by 100. So our value is 58, okay. That means our abrasion value is 58, okay. So for the sample calculation done here, having the abrasion value is 58 and the aggregate can be employed only for WBM sub-base, that is water-bound macadam sub-base course, and its maximum permissible abrasion value is 60. Okay, so this 60 value, maximum permissible value is for water-bound macadam sub-base course, and water-bound macadam base course with bitumen surface, its maximum permissible abrasion value is 50, and bitumen bound macadam, its maximum permissible value is also 50. So our value is 58. So from this, the aggregate can be employed only for water bound macadam sub base course. Okay. Then its purpose is how to find out this abrasion value. So its purpose is to find out the Los Angeles abrasion value of aggregate and also to find out the suitability of aggregate for use in road construction projects. Okay.